Easter does not happen through our initiative or through one calendar or another, but comes from Christ. This is what Pope Francis said during an audience with the Easter Together 2025 group at the Vatican. On April the 20th, 2025, all Christians will celebrate Easter together. A coincidence in the calendar that Pope Francis hopes will be repeated the following year. In the past, the Catholic Church and the Eastern churches usually had different dates for Easter. For the Pope, the upcoming Easter represents an opportunity. The Holy Father said that he has been asked more than once to seek a solution to this issue, so that the common celebration of the day of the resurrection may no longer be an exception, but rather become the norm. The Holy Father encouraged those who embark on this journey to persevere in the search for a possible communion and to avoid anything that could lead to further divisions among the brothers and sisters. The Pontiff underscored the importance to reflect, share, and plan together, always grateful for his call. The Holy Father concluded his speech with the wish of "Let's walk together."